Hello, my name is Emily Patterson Harris, and I currently serve as the Dean of the School of Education and Behavioral Sciences here at Langston University. One of the things that, in my experience, Langston University is quite adept at, and that is producing leaders. There are so many opportunities on this campus for students to experience leading. They learn things like team building, effective communication, where to find data to make their case. And those are skills that are so important out in the real world. And our students do take those skills into their careers, their communities, and their families. I believe that Langston University, using my family, as an example, it is transformative. My grandmother, whom I was named for, she determined with her 8th grade education that her children were going to receive a college education. So not only did my mom's sisters and brothers attend Langston University, but I go back to that initial decision that my grandmother made that a college education was important. And that one decision has impacted generations of my family. And so it's exciting when you see that repeat itself with our students today. We do have a number of legacy students where their parents, their grandparents attended Langston University. And then we have first generation students, and that entire mix, I think, is so important. And to use that word again, transformative. Remaining a lifelong learner, having that instilled in you when you have been at Langston University or other HBCUs, it really makes an impact in your career, in your family, in your community.